network. What is high vibe network? Let's scroll down. Well, it says uplifting comments, multidimensional learning, limitless growth, abundant living. What they hope to achieve is that people will be able to write articles and inspirational songs for others to be able to see. Both the person writing and others who is going to listen to this music or who are going to be reading the article will be able to upvote, and both the article writer and those who read the article are going to benefit. Later I'm going to play you a video that explains further about that, but let me scroll down. It says our vision to provide a revolutionary ecosystem for collective and personal transformation to accelerate the growth of health and humanity. So let's scroll down and let's see the team member. Let's see the team member here. Hold on a little, please. Now these are the team member. Faiz Nazarali, John Davi, Michael Song, and all the rest. You can see them. This is a community on its own. They are huge. And the ICO for public sale will start in 36 days time. 36 days time. So you should have a month to be able to, to get through involved in the public sale. But let me play you the video from them, and it's explain more about what they plan to achieve here. Now, this is it.
High Vibe users will be able to purchase, contribute, and share unique experiences with the High Vibe token in a transparent way that serves its community. We are actually going to pay people to meditate. We are a token-based experiential and transformative ecosystem, united and supported by the High Vibe network. This is a token that provides users value in multiple ways, beyond just being able to spend it or trade it. There are 3 dimensions to our High Vibe token. Users are incentivized by being paid in High Vibe tokens to take desired actions and are given free access to paid platforms as a part of our reward system. This incentive increases interest and grows the user base, which in turn grows the value of the ecosystem, which increases the reward pool, which allows for more rewards to the community by virtue of the user-focused common good model. Secondly, authors and creators will gain visibility in the platform by upvote and like-based algorithms and make either a fixed fee on membership platforms or a 30% fixed profit on premium offerings. Finally, affiliates are also given a multi-tiered commission structure, fully transparent and paid instantaneously. We offer 0 transaction fees and faster transactions than Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchain networks. Our proof of brain token distribution reward system is second to none. In a world with limitless information, experiential learning is what creates positive transformation in people and society at large, especially if there is a strong peer-to-peer element where people are actually having fun. We invite you to be a part of our growth. Welcome to the High Vibe Network.
Thank you for watching the video. You can see what they hope to achieve, and I love that. Remember, no transaction fee, and also in the High Vibe network, people are going to get reward for sharing information and for also receiving information among themselves. This is going to be huge, and the transfer is going to be faster. When you send Bitcoin and Ethereum, it takes time before the person you are sending it to receive it. They plan that their own token is going to be faster than this coin. That is nice. That is awesome. Now let's go. This is the white paper, well put together. Whenever I'm doing an ICO reviews, I always focus also on the white paper. I want to see, is the white paper unique? Is it copy and paste? I cannot tell you that High Vibe network, the white paper is well written and is original. Now there's something I would like to show you here. Now this is the details of the token. iVibe network, HV is the symbol, and in the private sale which has been done, 2,400,000,000 is sold. That is 2.4 billion token. Now for the public sale that will be they will start in 38 days time, that is like a month's time, 1.2 billion token is available, and they will dedicate 400 million token, that is the 5% of all the token, for airdrop and bounty allocation, and the total circulating supply is 4 billion. Soft cap is 2.5 million US dollars. This means that if they could be able to raise this amount, that is it, they'll be able to continue with the project. But this is what they really plan to achieve. That is the hard cap, 44.2 million US dollar. I encourage you, please take your time and go through the white paper. Let's go to the Telegram. 9,410 people are already in the Telegram, and this is still a month to the beginning of the public sale, and I believe within a month this number you see here will grow very, very fast. Let's check here. That is the Twitter. This is iVibe Network, the official Twitter page, and I encourage you to go through it where you find more information about it. And if you can sign up also for the Telegram, you'll be able to get information. You can ask questions from the admin and all the rest. Now this is the ways. Now iVibe Network, they registered it in 2017 on the 30th of December, and it's going to expire 2018 on the 30th of December. Now what is my thoughts on iVibe Network? I believe this ICO is real and is going to do well. I know if this team member could be able to put them together and make this work, it's going to be huge. People are going to get upvotes, and they're going to receive token for being able to share information with one another. But remember, I am not your financial advisor. I'm doing this review for you guys. Please make your own decision. Go through the white paper, go through the website, read the information about it, and sign up for the ICO. I'm going to leave the website down below. You can click on it and sign up for the ICO. I love you guys. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and click the notification so that you can receive more videos, because I will continue to bring more videos for you. Once again, I love you all. And until next time I come your way again, this is ICO Reviews.